Good morning. I'm going to be making a banana smoothie, and I have all the ingredients here. So we use bananas when they're ripe, and then we freeze them. And the peanut butter, blackberries, grapes, and protein powder are optional.
Mm-hmm.
And we are going to use almond milk. So first you break apart the bananas.
You know what I mean, Jhanson? Not film everything.
Now that we got the bananas in there, we're going to pour the milk in to 1/3. Now we screw the base on. And here we go. Now we got a consistency of ice cream. We'll add more ingredients. I'm going to add protein powder. And now we're adding frozen strawberries. And blend the strawberries up. And now our smoothie is done. And here's my wonderful creation.
Oh, wow. Thanks, Jhanson. This looks delicious. This is the best smoothie I've ever tasted in my life.
Now we screw the base on.
Other way.
Can you cut out that part?
And who's that for?
For Grandma.
What you? Ooh!
Bed down.
Say something.
This is the best smoothie I've ever tasted in my life.